Hello, and welcome to another update video on ADA. So the ADA chart has reached our Fibonacci standard resistance area here between 43 cents and 44.5 cents. If you watched the last video, then you know that a test of that resistance area was expected or at least likely. And now we have started a pullback. Yeah, just a couple of hours ago, I sent through a member update and said that I watch for a rejection in resistance. This has already come true, and it looks as if at least this B wave has topped. So it's important now to recognize what's going on here. The two scenarios I'm tracking, and do the bulls still have a chance after such a sharp rejection? Yeah, Bitcoin has done something similar. So let's first talk about the structure here. I'm only going to focus on the shorter time frame. Larger time frame structures were discussed earlier this week in video updates. But basically, what I'm tracking here is the potential for a wave 2 correction that's currently unfolding. Yeah, that's the yellow scenario. In this bullish count, the price formed the lasting low here on the 1st of December. We saw a 5-wave move up in yellow wave 1. And then this here would be an ABC structure to the downside. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. The B wave did well. I mean, it reached a 50% retracement, so we now need to see if the C wave can avoid invalidation. The invalidation point for the 1-2 setup is down here at around 37 cents. I don't, let's say, believe in the yellow scenario. I just have no evidence that a lasting low is formed other than a micro 5-wave move up. We don't even have a convincing reaction to this support area, so there's not even any confirmation that at least a local low has formed. So yeah, it's just questionable. I mean, bear in mind, this chart has been in a correction for more than a year overall. Yeah, ADA has been in a correction for more than a year, believe it or not. And I need a little bit more than a 5-wave move up on the 1-hour time frame to confirm a low is in, very clearly. But in the short term, we can still track relevant support and resistance levels, and the nearest Fibonacci resistance area is here between 43.1 cents and 44.4 cents. This is our nearest Fib resistance. This is Fib support, 38.7 to 41.9 cents. Again, I treat it as a 1-2 setup. And if we see a reaction from here, before we break below 38.7 cents, because that's the lower end of Fibonacci support, that's not the invalidation point. Yeah, the invalidation point is this swing low from the 1st of December. But if we see a reaction to the upside before we break below 38.7 cents, maybe a third wave to the upside is starting, we would need at least a break above that B wave high, which formed today around 43.5 cents, to really suggest a third wave to the upside might have started. Further evidence would then come with a break above the 45.7 cent level, the swing high from the 4th of December. But I'm not convinced, because yes, we have a 5-wave move up, but it could simply be an A, B, C structure, and then we follow through here to the downside like this. Very much possible, very much possible. What is important to understand is to keep the yellow scenario alive. We want to see the market hold the 100% extension. So to identify additional support levels, we can track the 100% extension. That's a key level. And that level is at 39.2 cents. So at least we can give the yellow scenario a chance, because the 100% extension is located above support, above the invalidation point. So the C wave often would reach this area around 39.2 cents. So let's see if the bulls show up in that area and then start a third wave up. For now, we are still working on a correction, and resistance continues to be respected. As you can see, the levels remain relevant. That's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. You can find the link in the comment section for additional updates and everything. So I'm here as well regularly, so check it out. You can ask questions and just join the community to get more updates. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.